Hi everyone. I had my tonsils out last Friday. So it's gonna sound weird, but I really wanted to open this because I really want to play with it because I'm home all week. So sorry. This is Felicity Jane. Whew. My voice will come in and out. So we're gonna try this together, right? Okay, so yeah, so my voice is okay. Okay, so like I said, yeah, it's been fun. So let's see what we got from Felicity Jane. It says grateful for you, and then how cute. I love using this. That's the babies are in here, and they're they need a pedicure, and I haven't been able to get them down to go get one. And right now they're restless because I've been playing all day in my office. I've been crafting today as my husband went to work, and so it's a me day. Okay, so let's see what we have here. I'm excited about this. So we got the 3x3, 3x4 cards, and they're usually one-sided. And like it says fall. That's what we say here in California is fall. We don't say autumn here. So that was nice. I can't remember where this company is from. Cute. Very nice. Oop, one more. Pretty. Okay, here's the stamp set. Oh, it's got ones. That one's in line. It's nighttime because the time change, and my mail got here too late. Let me go up closer. My mail got here barely a little bit ago. This is Harper. This is the set Harper. Oh, I love their die cuts. They're so pretty. So this is what they look like. So pretty. I like the bird. The acorn is so pretty too. Nice. Oh, what are these? Chipboard tags. This is what those look like. I'll have another hurts to swallow. Another tan flip through, probably later on this week. I like these. These are frames. They're paper. I think they're paper frames. They feel, yeah, they're paper frames. And look, it looks like you can color them too. Oh, look at that. That's cute. These are very thin, so you can see through them. So epoxy stickers. So I mean, you can back them, or make sure you just put them on a solid piece of cardstock. So, they're epoxy shapes. Oh, pretty. The puffy alphabet, it's gold. I like their gold. Their gold is really pretty. Oh, and I love all the hearts. Oh, and numbers. I love when they add numbers. Oh, and look, they have the hashtag and ampersands. That's awesome. Oh, I saw these and I thought, oh my gosh, they're felt flowers. Felt flowers. Look how pretty they are though, you guys. Oh, so they're like this. Isn't that pretty? I love those. California doesn't have pretty trees for fall. We have dead. Everything is dead here. There's no prettiness here. I mean, we have oceans, but not like, Connecticut or Vermont where they have beautiful fall trees. Oh, I like that. That one's like an ombre. Very nice. I like this. Okay, so that is this month's kit. I can't wait for next month. We'll see you guys all next month. It'll be here sooner than we know it. Alright guys, take care. Bye.